Tonight, officials are continuing to investigate the conditions at the Richland County Jail after multiple drug overdoses, some of them fatal. And then last week, we told you there was a surprise search of employees and their cars, and that led to 2 employees being arrested on drug charges. The jail has been subject to a Department of Justice investigation and a lawsuit from several inmates over the conditions. Our News 19's Josie Frost spoke to Richland County officials on what is being done to make it safer. Josie.
The Richland County Administrator tells me the Sheriff's Department has taken the lead on investigating exactly how these drugs are making it into the jail. Now, I reached out to the Sheriff's Department. They declined an interview, but a spokesperson did tell me that this isn't the first time that they've randomly searched employees' cars at the jail, and it won't be the last. County officials say there's a number of ways that drugs can make it into the jail, and right now they aren't exactly sure how it's happening.
You may have contraband coming to the facility from an individual who is doing the wrong thing. You may have contraband that may come into the facility from someone utilizing drone technology. You may actually have contraband coming through legal mail. So these are things that we're trying to address.
Leonardo Brown is the Richland County Administrator. While there's a number of ways he says drugs could have made it into the jail, even after these 2 most recent arrests, they still aren't sure how it's happening. When asked about what's been done to improve conditions there, Brown mentioned improving locking mechanisms, staff pay raises, and increased access to resources and technology.
Whether it's staffing, whether it is the facility itself, whether it's external parties that we may need to provide services into the facility, such as, food or health, all of those things the county has addressed and is still continuing to address to provide improvements wherever we can.
Councilman Don Weaver says improvements to the screening process for new employees at the jail could help prevent more drug problems in the future.
A more seasoned employee, better screening, trying to relay to them the severity, if you will, of bringing in something like that.
Now, I also reached out to the lawyers representing a group of inmates that are suing the county over conditions there. They declined to comment. The Richland County Sheriff's Department says they'll continue to investigate drugs at the jail. Josie Frost, News 19, WLTX.
All right, Josie, thanks so much. And News 19 reached out to the Department of Corrections. They don't oversee the jail, but they do conduct inspections there, and a spokesperson said their most recent inspection happened Wednesday, and a report is still being written on what they found.